Hey there, welcome back to Pad Content. So in this video, I'm using the free version of Canva to design the logo that I'm starting this channel with, this YouTube channel. So as you can see, you just create a free account on Canva, create a project, and then use their tools to search the elements. In this case, I'm searching for an iPad, which I found here. And that one looks pretty good. But I think I'm going to look for one that has an all black screen so that I can overlay some text and some other graphics there. That one looks really good. So I've got this as basically the base of my design. And now I want to get some text on here, and I actually kind of do like that font. So all I need to do is resize it. And let's edit this text once I get it in the right spot to say the name of my channel. All right, so that looks pretty good. That's not too bad. This one comes with two different rows of text. I just need to figure out how to select the smaller row of text to put my name on once I get this aligned the way that I want. Now that doesn't look like it's aligned, but it actually looks better that way. So there it is, Pad Content or Content. It's kind of a double entendre with Dave Doggett. So I'm also going to stick this YouTube play button on here because I really think that's all I need. I need the name of the channel and the brand, my name, because I'm the one hosting, and this one graphic, this YouTube play button, that really explains what this is, because ultimately I'm promoting this as a YouTube channel, and that is the root of this venture. I might try and give it a little bit of drop shadow or outer glow. If I can do that in here, we'll take a look and see. Yeah, there's a drop shadow. Now you're not going to see much of that drop shadow where it is already a dark background, but it'll just give it that little bit of a definition that might help it pop a little bit. And by the way, I am recording all of this content using just the iPad. I'm using the built-in screen record feature that also lets you record the microphone. And this is just the M1, the base M1 iPad model at the time that I'm doing this. And the audio quality is fantastic. Now, is it the same as a $400 microphone connected to a desktop computer? No, of course not. But does it sound relatively impressive? It does. This iPad has several microphones on it, which is a huge step up from the previous model. This is the 5th generation, which is a huge advantage over even the 4th generation. But realistically, even iPads that are 4, 5, and 6 years old from the current year are still relatively good and powerful, and you can do amazing things with them. I think I'm just going to put my channel username and my branding at the bottom here as well, because that quickly tells the viewer that they can search for Pad Content or Pad Content, however you want to say it, across different channels, and they're gonna find me. So I really like the simplicity of this graphic, and I am quite proud of the name. I mean, in this day and age, it's quite challenging to come up with a catchy name that's not very long and is available in different platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You want to snag the Gmail account as well, even if you're not going to use that. The domain name, obviously, and we'll be talking about that. And just, it's hard to find a name that's available across multiple platforms. It doesn't have to be available across all platforms, but you do want to have, your domain name and some of the main platforms secured with the same username, just for brand continuity, right? So I'm quite happy with how this has turned out. This is looking really good, and it is going to be the channel artwork that I'm starting this channel with. Now, maybe it's different than when you're watching this video, if you're watching this video months or years after I created it and uploaded it. But this is the artwork that I'm starting the channel with. So as you can see, it did not take long at all. In the free version of Canva, this is not the pro account. I may get the pro account eventually, but you can see that this looks pretty good, and it took me 5 minutes tops to put this together. So I hope this shows you, you can do this. You can do this on an iPad. Now, let's not kid ourselves. You can do this on a desktop. You can do it on a laptop. You can even do some of these features on a phone. But this channel is all about using the iPad exclusively for these tasks, showing you how to do it, how easy it can be, how difficult it can be sometimes, but using the iPad and what you can truly do with this device. So I'm pretty happy with that. That concludes this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel and you like what you see, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. I appreciate you tuning in and watching, and I look forward to bringing you more pad content on Pad Content. Thanks for watching.